Controlling pests and diseases, crop rotation, use of certified seeds or clean seeds. So all these pests and diseases, we control them differently, but okay, during plant clinic, we normally ask our farmers first, whenever you grow crops, first of all, do scouting and regular monitoring, such that when My name is Florence Malemba, and I'm the Agriculture Extension Officer in Njoro, and I'm also a trained plant doctor, Nakuru County. So today I'm here to showcase what all my activities or what I do during plant health clinic. So normally during plant health clinic, farmers bring disease samples like these ones. These are all disease samples, and then I diagnose and then come up with management for the diseases and pests. So like this one, we can start from here. This is like I can give an example of these two. These are diseased plants. They are cabbages, but they are showcased. I'm here to showcase that these have different signs and symptoms. These all of them are leaf spots, but now different causes. This one is caused by a fungi. This one is caused by a bacteria. This is black rot of cabbages. This one is alternaria leaf spot of cabbages. So in short, I'm saying different plants, the same plant can be attacked by, or get infested by different problems or different diseases or different pests. So then the management and control is different. How to control this is as a fungal disease is different. How to control this as a bacterial disease is different. We move on to such like now. This is kales. This is kales, and it is purplish in color. So meaning this is also like another problem of which has attacked the crop. And this one is lack of phosphorus, because now the crop is turning purplish. Whenever crop is turning purplish on the leaves, it is normally a sign of that the soil are lacking phosphorus. We also have some kales here which have powdery mildew, controlled differently. Powdery mildew also is a fungal disease. It's controlled differently. We also have potatoes. Now in this case, a farmer brought such potatoes. Potatoes like these ones have been affected by bacterial wilt. Bacterial wilt currently has affected like all the farms in Nakuru County. At least it's like almost all the farms have bacterial wilt. So it manifests itself like this on the tubers. The tuber is like, it removes like, it rots, and it has like pus-like, what is this? It's like, it has pus-like stuff which attacks the tubers, and it also, it starts manifesting itself from the vegetative growth. The plant will just wilt. It is just green and it just wilts. So when it comes to tubers, it manifests itself like this. And for bacterial, it has been very hard for farmers to control, because the bacteria has no control, and it has to be, we are advising farmers to do like crop rotation, and then or else stop planting potatoes for a period of 3 to 5 years, which farmers are finding it odd. So it's a serious disease currently within Nakuru County. And then we have this also. Farmers will bring this thinking to my desk, thinking that it's a disease, yet it's a pest. This is pasture mites of avocados. It's attacking, these varieties which are grafted, which is Hash and Fuete, and also local varieties. So farmers will think it is a disease, yet it is a pest. So unless they bring to the clinic, they really don't tell if it's a pest or it's a disease. We have maize here which has a fall armyworm. Fall armyworm manifests itself like this, and we give different recommendations for this. We have beans which has been attacked by aphids, mainly. Okay, for this season, mainly the aphids have attacked the beans which have been planted late. So this is the aphids of beans. We have also late blight. This is late blight of potatoes. We have early blight of potatoes, and so on. So in short, I normally encourage farmers to bring diseased plants, infected plants with pests and diseases to the clinic or to me, so that I recommend management plan which helps them once and for all. Because now, when they bring the diseased plants to the clinic, a farmer is able to save on costs. because he's not like guessing which disease is this, or which pest is this, which recommendation or which pesticide should I use, and so on. So when the farmer brings a crop or disease infected plants to a crop to the clinic or to me as a doctor, I'm able to recommend something which will help him or her once and for all. So I'm encouraging farmers to make use of my clinic, and then so that they get good yield. Okay, this is cabbage, and this disease is called alternaria leaf spot. It's called by a fungi. This is also a cabbage. This disease is called black rot. It's called a bacterial. We have these ones here. This one is called, these are kales, and this disease is called powdery mildew. It's called by a fungi. This is also kales. The way it is purplish in color, meaning the soils are lacking phosphorus. These are potatoes, and the way it is showing pus-like stuff. This meaning the crop was affected by bacterial wilt, and now it is manifesting itself in the tubers like this. Yep. And then this is avocados. These are affected by pasture mites. These are maize. These have been affected by fall armyworm. This is how it manifests itself on the crop. Even this one has fall armyworm, like this. This is fall armyworm on maize. These are leaves of potatoes, like this one now has been affected by late blight. This is late blight. This was also potatoes affected by early and late blight combined. These are leaves of sorghum. They have been affected by northern leaf blight. This is how it manifests, northern leaf blight. This one. And these are beans, which have been affected by aphids, including this one, which was just germinating. So these are aphids on beans. So how to control this? So all these pests and diseases, we control them differently, but okay, during plant clinic, we normally ask our farmers first, whenever you grow crops, first of all, do scouting and regular monitoring, such that when a problem starts or when a disease is starts to manifest itself, you will be easily in a position to know, so that you start controlling it. And in this case, after now doing monitoring, we only ask the farmers, if you have seen a problem starting to manifest, just uproot the crop or prune the crop or the leaf, and then carry it and bury it at your homestead, or burn it at your homestead. And then later we know, and then we also ask our farmers to do crop rotation, which is very key in controlling pests and diseases. Crop rotation, use of certified seeds or clean seeds, use of early land preparation also affect, and early planting also it helps to control some pests and diseases. We also encourage our farmers that they should also do weeding, pruning, and so on. So normally in this case, in plant clinic, we emphasize on IPM, integrated pest management, whereby pesticide or chemicals become as the last resort. So we start with first the physical or cultural ways of controlling, then chemicals can be the last resort. So in this case, I ask farmers to join my plant health clinic or visit my plant clinic. I'm located in Joro Agriculture Office, and my contact is 0719 344 95. 0719 344 95. For any assistance, come visit my clinic. Thank you.